Greetings, Internet Land. This is Ivan coming to you live from the home office. Just wanted to shoot a quick update on the 9-point version of the AB bulk mailer. As you see, we have a totally new interface. If you looked at some of my older videos, the interface pretty much stayed the same. He added a few more functionality, but this time he basically changed the interface. It's very nice looking. I did change my background to blue, so you can change it to any color. So if you're here new for the first time, there is a download link that you should have received already. And if you're here to update your older version to the 9.0, you should have a link already. The link that came originally with your email when you got your software, that link is still good. All you need to do is make sure that you still have your license that is saved in a file somewhere. And if you have not, um, uh, if you somehow lost your license or misplaced it in a file, you can email me or you can email support, AB Bulkmiller support. You can or email me at tmemarketingpro@gmail.com and I can coordinate that for you. But we're going to get started here. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the link that I have, and it's going to take me straight. And since I've already done that, I'm going to go ahead and go straight to the download. I'm going to go here and start the process, and it's real simple, everyone. You just follow along with the wizard here, and it's going to move rather quickly, depending on how fast your computer moves also. And then you just keep going next, install. Okay. And as you see, it's just going, copying all the files, and it's just moving along. It's real simple. Yes, I want to launch the program when it's finished. Okay, there it is. Now, once that happens and it's launched, what you're going to need to do is register it. Okay. Now, that license that you received from AB Bulk Mailer or the actual company itself, you're going to go ahead and save that file. So I already have it saved. I'm going to go ahead and pull it up here. Now, after you do that, you're going to go ahead and put in your company name or your name. It doesn't matter, whatever it is that you want to put in there. And then once you do that, you're going to complete the registration. It says congratulations, it's been updated successfully. Now what's going to happen is going to open right back up, and as you see, it is ready to rock and roll. Now the next thing you need to do is upload your SMTP server. Now I have some already, so I've saved them. If you're looking to add more, you know, you can use Gmail, AOL, Yahoo, but I actually prefer using a hosting account. Now, a hosting account can run $10. The most expensive ones I've seen is run about $15 a month, which is great. I mean, if you're going to be doing thousands upon thousands of emails a day, if you're only doing a few hundred, then you can get away with Gmail accounts. And I'm going to upload some Gmail accounts for demonstration purposes. Since I already have them, I'm going to go ahead and import them real quick. I just got to find the file. Once that happens, I have 6 of them there. It's uploaded. As you see, they're there. Okay. Now once that happens, you are ready to rock and roll. Now the other thing I'm going to show you is how to change the color of this. Now I'm a big fan of the color background, so I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to go ahead and change the color on it. The theme, which I'm going to go with a darker blue maybe. Okay, see how that works. I don't know if I want that blue there. It's a little too dark. Whatever your favorite color is, you can pick any color you want. So let's see here. I might go with the lighter blue here. And okay, that looks good. So what I'll do is go ahead and close it. Well, actually save it. All right. Now what you're going to have to do for that to take effect, you're going to have to close it and open it back up. So I'll do that real quick. And there it is. Okay. I like that much better. And as you see, it has an interface here. And I'm going to go through these. Really, the software itself, it's great for emailing. If you're a big social media person, there are some videos out there in regards to that. The bounce checker is if you're using a lot of Gmail accounts, you're going to need to basically use that to make sure that Gmail doesn't try and shut you down, shut you out using their server as far as sending emails. The email extractor, I'm going to click on that real quick. Now, this email extractor is cool if you're looking to pull some leads. Again, I'm not using this. I'm using it strictly for emailing, but it's an added bonus there that you can put in there. And there's videos out there. Like I said, I'm going to get more into the functionality of how to use it. Your email verify, open that up for you real quick. Again, it has some cool features, but it does not verify Gmail, Yahoo's, and MSN. And no problem. There's other email verifier. Matter of fact, there's one I recommend if you're looking to verify these particular type of emails. Okay. Also, you see we got the. Now what we're going to do is just get into how to send a message, the easy send. Those are really simple. Now we're going to go into contacts. Right now I shouldn't have any contacts in there. So what I want to do is show you how to upload a list. And that's what's good about it. You can upload. My recommendation is to upload 10,000 at a time. If you have lists that are, hundreds or thousands, break up those lists into about 1,000 a piece or 10,000 a piece. You can do 20,000, but it takes a little longer for it to upload. So let me go ahead and find a list to upload real quick, and I'll show you how simple it is. So you have the choice between text files, Excel, CSV file. So I prefer Excel, but if you got leads, you probably are using a CSV file, which is fine. The Excel file gives you the ability to put in the name. If you use a CSV file, they won't, it will not include the name. So I like to put the name and everything. So what I'm going to do is, since I have more than one character, meaning that I have more than one column, I'm going to put the other field as column 2 because I have what I call contact name, email, and maybe an IP address or maybe a phone number. It depends. Okay. And if you have other columns, just put it into order like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me go ahead and pull up some leads real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these leads up. Let it upload real quick. As you see, it's uploading now. Okay. It's pretty quick because it's a smaller list. And the one thing I did not do, and which I need to do right now, is name the actual file. So I'll go here to contact groups and let me go ahead and name, and I'm glad it didn't go into that one. That's a default group there. So what I'm going to do is name it leads, boost leads. So let's go ahead and name the new group, boost leads. And then I like to put the date, and this is a new video if you're seeing it today or a week from now. That's the actual date. Now, once that happens, it's going to go active to that group. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and upload them real quick and go back to Excel file. And again, I'm going to put down, I think on this one, I may not even have it, but just in case, I'll leave it there. But if I had like a column of phone numbers, I would put 2, 3, 4 on down. So let's just keep it where it is right now. Let's see how that happens and go ahead and upload. And see, as you upload it real quick, it's only 79 leads, so that's a small list. Just wanted to show you how quickly it can do it. And once you do that, as you see, I can open it up and there's my leads. Okay, have all of these there. Great part is that it also is going to tell me how many leads. It hasn't refreshed yet, so let me see what happens when I close it. Usually it tells you. Okay, there we go. Yeah, 79 leads as you see there. Now once they're in there, it's real simple. All you're going to do now is start emailing. You can write out your message. Because I don't have a message, I can't do an easy send, so I go to message first, and we'll just put in hello, I have a awesome business. I'll just use that. That's not really a title I use. Let's put the O there. And again, everyone, if I'm moving a little fast, it's because I want to get this done because I have some emailing I need to do. And I wanted to get this done as quickly as possible. You can always rewind or look at some of my older videos. They're out there, and all you do is just search them and you'll see them. But it goes more into detail. But I really like the interface on this. They've changed really the interface from the buttons here that you see. I've been with this software for years. I've been an affiliate with this software for more than 5 years now, right back when they first started. So once you put the name in there and you start typing the email, hello. Now, if you want to include their name, let's just say you have a list with names and just name and emails, you go ahead and insert contact name here under insert. That way it'll automatically pop their name, populate their name, and you can start sending emails. Now, once you write the email out, go ahead and save it because now you'll have that for future reference. And every time you write emails, they'll be saved over here in your data. Okay, and you can always duplicate them and change them. You can always delete them if you get tired of using them. One of the other great features here is a rotating subject line. If you're sending out thousands upon thousands, you may want to rotate them and change each line. You could do manually. It's real simple, as you see. Um, you can just delete it and type a new message, but you want your titles to be similar, I'm quite sure, if you're actually sending out a lot of emails. And also, you can rotate the bodies. Also, if you have, like I said, so many emails going out, because some people are sending out 100,000 emails a day, you definitely want to change that around to help the inbox delivery with this. And also, you can preview your email. Let's just say you had a link in there or you want to preview how it look as a whole. As you see, I just typed that. It looks good. If I had a link in there, I can click the link and it'll make sure that it's redirecting to the right place. This right here is a timer. So if you want to send out your emails in a certain amount of time at a time and date, you go ahead and click the box here, put down the date and the time that you want to go out. If you want to repeat every uh, 3 to 4 days or whatever, and also your list that you want to go out to. Now, the catch to this is, everyone, is that this has to be open. Your computer needs to be on. If it's sleeping, if it's shut down, it will not send your emails. So make sure that if you're going to send the emails days later, that your computer is already up and running, and it's not on cooldown or sleep mode, because a lot of computers, people have it where if they're not doing anything on it after about a few minutes, it goes to sleep mode. Well, it's not going to happen if it goes into sleep mode. So I just wanted to let everyone know. So let me go ahead and close this out. So as you know, I got the messages here. Now I'm ready to start sending messages. It's just that simple, everyone. But like I said, I wanted to do an updated video here on the software. There is a free download demo below here in the description. So if you want to download it and try it out before you buy, you definitely can do that. You have two places you can buy it from. You can buy it from me, and you can buy it from AB Bulkmiller. Now, what I offer, because I'm great friends with the owner of AB Bulkmiller, and I've been reselling this product for many, many years, you'll have my support when it comes to wanting to know more detailed information, because Ahmad is a very busy man. He may not be able to get back to you, and also he's on a different time zone. He's on India time zone. Um, again, if you buy from me, you have your support, and you also have some other, what I call downloads that I'm going to throw in there. I won't say on the video here, but again, you have choices. But if you decide to buy it from me below here, there will be a place to purchase the actual software. You're getting it directly from AB Bulkmiller. But again, I am an affiliate, and I would love to be able to help you and show you how to use this software. So you have a choice, and the choice is yours at the end of the day. But you will have my support on any matter regarding this software. I'm very well versed with it, been using it a long time. But again, this interface, everyone, is very, very simple. There's a couple other things you can look over, like settings and things of that nature. If you want to go in here and change your ID, you can, your sender name and things of that nature. So if I wanted to put in there Ivan. I can, if I wanted to change this email, I could, and then I can just go ahead and save it. Okay, go back to settings again. This is where also I changed the color and everything. If I want to change that to my friend, I can. This is when you don't have a name and you just want it to be generic. I like my friend, or it can be whatever you want it to be, but I prefer my friend. And whatever changes you make, just make sure you save it. That way you're going to have it on your future. I don't know why I can't see that. What is, okay, there we go. Got too many eyes in there. So once you do that, you go ahead and save it. And as you see, it closes right up. But it's real simple, everyone. The software in itself is pretty much the same. Ahmad is always doing great updates, and again, all updates are free. You don't have to worry about every time I update that you have to pay extra dollar. He's not going to ding you. He's going to just tell you to go ahead and uninstall the first one and reinstall the new one with your license that you already have. So again, I want to thank everyone. Again, you can download this below here in the description. You can download the software, try it out, and decide to buy it. And then if you decide to buy it, you have two places you can purchase it from, which is me directly or from the site itself. So again, I appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great and successful day. All right, talk with you soon.